Hi dear students, welcome back to our EVS class. Do you remember what we studied in the previous class? The day on which we can see the full moon is called full moon day or it is called Purnima. The day on which we cannot see the moon is called no moon day or Amavasya. The moon changes its shape from no moon to full moon and full moon to no moon is called lunar changes. Today we have to learn about some specialities of moon and stars. When Americans landed on the moon with the help of rockets, they found only mountains and valleys on the moon. But there are no living creatures like plants, animals, human beings, etc. on the moon. Indians also landed on the moon. Next, we have to learn about the stars. Can you count the stars in the sky at night? No, the stars are uncountable. Some stars are bright and some are pale in color. Do you know what's the meaning of pale? Pale means light in color. Stars are self-luminous bodies like the sun. Once more, I remind one point. Sun and stars are self-luminous, but moon is not a self-luminous body. Stars are bigger than the earth and moon. Some stars like Arudra and Mahakaya are bigger than the sun. These two stars, that is Arudra and Mahakaya, are far away from the earth, so they look very small. On no moon day, stars appear very bright because there will not be any moonlight on that day. Here the question is, why stars appear very bright on no moon day? Because there will not be any moonlight on no moon day. Each star is having their own name, such as Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, etc. The big star that twinkles in the north is called pole star. What is pole star? The big star that twinkles in the north is called the pole star. We can see the stars clearly in the planetarium. Do you know what's the meaning of planetarium? Planetarium is a theater built primarily for presenting educational shows about the night sky. The main planetariums situated in our country are Trivandrum, Vijayawada, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Kolkata, Jaipur, etc. Now you have to learn something about moon and stars. In higher classes, you have to learn more. We have to summarize the lesson. The sky. The moon is not a self-luminous body. The next point is, the light emitted by the moon is called moonlight. The day on which we can see the full moon is called full moon day or it is called Purnima. The day on which we cannot see the moon is called no moon day or Amavasya. The moon changes its shape from no moon to full moon, and full moon to no moon is called lunar changes. Stars are self-luminous bodies like the sun. Stars appear bright on no moon day. The big star that twinkles in the north is called pole star. Okay students, today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.